Hello everyone. Forms are very important part of any website. Form provides you a best communication way to communicate with your visitors, and sometimes those visitors can turn into your loyal customers. So how we can create a form and implement into our website through Avada theme. In this video I'm going to explain, and we'll go step by steps to uh, do this task. So for this, you have to come to the dashboard. As you know, Avada theme provides a pre-built forms as well as a form builder. You don't need to install a third-party plugin and use forms on your website. So in Avada theme, this facility is already built in. So you can avail and use it on your website. So for this, when you come to the dashboard, you can see it Avada, and when you hover over the Avada, you can see the dashboard option. Click on dashboard. While coming on the Avada dashboard, you can see at the header side there are many options. The first one is layouts, icons, and the third one is forms. You can see when we hover over the forms, there are two options: form builder and form entries. First, we have to create our form through the form builder. So click form builder. When you will click form builder, it will take to this screen. So we have to create a new form. For this, in this area, we have to give a name to our form. I am giving it name as form 2, and just click the create new form. When you would create new form, it would take to the screen that shows whether you would uh, update with Avada Builder or Avada Live. So you can use one of them. So I am going to use Avada Builder in this video. Click Avada Builder. Here you can see there are two options. One is container and the second one is pre-built forms. By using container, you can create the form from the scratch. But I am going to use pre-built forms. You can use pre-built forms and edit them according to your needs. So click pre-built forms. Here you can see there are many pre-built forms you can use. So I am going to use the basic content form. So click, when you click, it will ask you to proceed. Just click OK. So here we go. A simple and basic contact form is created. You can add or delete elements according to your need. So I am going to delete the unnecessary elements from our form. I am going to delete this one, and subject as well, and the last name. So you can use and edit it according to your needs, and I am just going step by step to tell you how we can create a simple form and implement into our page. So I have chosen three fields: text field, email field, and text area field. So when you hover on the element, you can see pencil option. This is the option you can change and edit the field options. When you click it, you can see this is the first name. You can change it to your name. Like I'm going to change from first name to the name only. So in this field you can see it is a required field. yes or no. You can choose whether it is required or not required, and you can also use the placeholder text and tooltip text, but I'm using just the simple one. After doing so, just click save, and when you hover over the button pencil, you can edit it as well. Like it is written submit on the button, you can write anything or sign up or anything you want. Text transformer default normal or uppercase, you can choose any. So after doing so, just click the save button and click update one. While it is updated, so let's proceed to the page builder. Here I have already opened the page builder. Let's refresh it to take the updated changes. So we have created at the backend side of the Avada theme. Now we will implement that form into our page. So I'll add a container. So I'll add the first container. Let's add a title here, and the element just write title in the search bar, and you will see the title. Click here and let add contact us. So here you can see the lines, two tiny lines at the right hand side. Let's remove it. Click design and come to the bottom. You can see separator is selected as default. Just click it and choose the none. So it is removed, and make it center. After this, you can see here I'll add another container. I'll click here and I'll choose two columns for this. So in the first column, I'll choose an image, and let's add an image. I have uploaded already. I'll choose from them and let's add this one. And in the second column, that is at the right hand, I'll add Avada form. So click plus icon to add element. So here you can see Avada forms. If you could not find, just write forms in search bar. You can see Avada form. Just click it. When you would click, it shows no form selected. Please select a form to display it here. So when you'll come at the left hand side, you can see the form option here. So when you'll click here, you'll see form 1 and form 2. Form 2 that we just created. Just select that one. Here you can see our form is selected. So let's add margin top to this image so that it could align better. Let's add a margin to the 70 pixel. It's look good. When you'll come to see the preview, click preview, you can see a form is built and added. So Avada theme provides many options. If you use Avada theme, you don't have to go to third-party services, third-party plugins to use them. They provide all the necessary and gorgeous things you can use them to your website. So It was all about the Avada farms. You can create many other farms and edit them according to your needs. I hope you have learned how we can create and implement farms in Avada themes.